Welcome to Wealth Rise. So, today we're diving into an explainer on a topic that honestly causes a lot of anxiety for people. But, well, it absolutely doesn't have to. We're going to bypass all that stress, cut right through the noise, and reveal the true foundational blueprint for building a completely bulletproof real estate empire. Okay, let's just jump right in with a massive number: $4 million. Just imagine, for a second, building a $4 million real estate portfolio by the time you're in your mid-20s, right? You'd feel like an absolute financial genius. Well, that is exactly what a 23-year-old Dave Ramsey did. You see, he had a real estate degree, massive ambition, and he used heavy, short-term leverage to build this sprawling empire. Technically, he was a millionaire on paper, but, his actual bank account told a totally different story. And then, in the blink of an eye, the bank got nervous. They called all his notes at once, he couldn't pay, and boom, he lost every single penny, tumbling right into total bankruptcy. And that right there highlights a terrifying reality. Leverage is like a ladder, but if you don't own it, someone else can just kick it right out from under you. If you take advice from these flashy TikTok influencers pushing good debt, you really got to be careful, because when inflation hits, that debt trap snaps shut. Or what if you get stuck with bad tenants? Relying on renters to magically pay your mortgage every single month? Yeah, that strategy falls apart really quickly. So, here's your exact step-by-step blueprint. We're going to start with 1, the Zero-Risk Backdoor. Then move to 2, the Four Wells Generators. Explore 3, the Infinite Wealth Loop. And finish up with 4, building a debt-free empire.
Starting with Section 1, the Zero-Risk Backdoor. Entering the market without capital.
Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the anxiety of feeling totally priced out of the housing market. Ryan Serhant points out a strategy that's kind of controversial, but incredibly powerful. Basically, your very first move in real estate shouldn't actually be buying property. If you have zero capital, don't borrow it, period. Instead, invest your time. Things like brokerage and property management are no-risk investments. You carry literally zero financial risk, but you're actually getting paid to build up your relationships. Investor Ken McElroy lays out this tactical method perfectly. If he had to start totally over from scratch, here is exactly what he'd do. Step 1, spend 30 days getting your real estate license, just to build up your educational base. Step 2, pick a lane, like property management, so you can start replacing your W-2 income while simultaneously building this massive network of lenders and landlords. And then step 3, use that position to find broken deals. Because you're the one managing the properties, those desperate, off-market deals will literally flow right to you before the general public even sees them. It's a huge advantage. Moving on to Section 2, the 4 wealth generators. This is the mechanics of real estate wealth. Once you actually have the capital to invest, real estate is kind of like the ultimate cheat code, and the crucial foundation starts right here with generator number 1, cash flow. Now, this isn't just revenue. We're talking about the pure profit remaining in your pocket every single month after all your expenses, and yes, the mortgage, are completely paid. Cash flow is that rock-solid foundation that lets an investor comfortably hold on to a property without sweating, even if there's a massive market crash. Generator number 2 is appreciation. This is the historical, steady climb in a property's overall market value over time. And sure, look, there are dips. We all remember 2008. But if you have the cash flow to just patiently hold the asset, the market naturally steps in and pushes your net worth higher. And that brings us to number 3, loan paydown. Honestly, this is a truly magical dynamic. You aren't the one paying the bank back. Someone else gets up, goes to work every single day, earns a paycheck, and gives it to you, slowly eliminating your debt over the life of the loan. It's pretty amazing. The final generator is tax benefits. Real estate offers massive, perfectly legal advantages tucked right into the tax code. Think about it. If you make $100,000 at a desk job and your friend makes $100,000 through real estate, these tax benefits create a stark contrast. The investor ends up keeping significantly more of their money. Let's put that into perspective. Over a decade, you capture what's called the equity spread. As you can see, property values steadily rise, right? But while that's happening, loan balances are simultaneously dropping. So that widening gap right there in the middle, that creates a massive wealth spike that completely eclipses normal saving methods. All right, Section 3, the Infinite Wealth Loop. Scaling your portfolios safely. So how do you self-made millionaires inject rocket fuel into this whole process? They use a concept popularized by investors like Graham Stephan, known as the Burr strategy. Here is that infinite loop in action. Step 1. You take those management skills you learned and buy a broken property, fixing it up to forcefully push the appreciation higher. Step 2. You rent it out to great tenants. Step 3. Because the house is now worth significantly more, you go back to the bank and refinance it based on its new, much higher value. And Step 4. You pull your original down payment completely out. You literally take those exact same dollars and go buy property number 2. Then you just rinse and repeat.
Finally, Section 4, building a debt-free empire. The ultimate goal of true wealth. Now, that infinite loop we just talked about is incredibly powerful, no doubt, but it is also the 99% trap. Ambitious investors use that exact same loop to take on mountains of debt, over-leveraging themselves right into the very same bankruptcy Dave Ramsey faced when the market inevitably shifts. It's a really stark contrast. On one side, you have this highly leveraged TikTok strategy that's totally vulnerable to just a single bad month. But on the other side, the bulletproof strategy. When you're debt-free, you're completely unbothered by market crashes. Honestly, it's the difference between chaotic panic and total serene peace. Dave Ramsey warns about these real-world nightmares that those flashy influencers conveniently just ignore. I mean, what happens when a global pandemic hits and suddenly eviction moratoriums are enacted? Or what if your tenant files for Chapter 13 bankruptcy? That results in a federal stay order where a judge legally blocks you from even speaking to them. So your renters legally stop paying, but guess what? The bank violently demands their mortgage check from you anyway. So the absolutely crucial point to remember here is that zero payments equals total power. A desperate landlord carrying massive debt makes really stupid decisions, like, letting a completely destructive tenant move in just to cover next month's payment. But when you own your property 100% in cash, your cash flow is staggering and you have zero panic. You never ever become a desperate seller. And that brings us to our final empowering takeaway. Patience plus zero debt equals generational wealth. Use that zero-risk backdoor to gain your footing, leverage those 4 wealth generators responsibly, but make a debt-free portfolio your absolute ultimate goal. Please don't rush into catastrophic mistakes just to look rich on paper. So I'll leave you with this question. Are you building a house of cards or a castle that can survive any storm? Please like, share this video, and subscribe to our channel.